Okay, so today we're going to be talking about clouds, precipitation, and other weather things to wrap up this section of the homework with meteorology. Alright, so to start off, we're going to be talking about formation of precipitation and then the differences in rain, snow, sleet, and hail. So for the two kinds of formation of precipitation, you have collision coalescence, which is when to form droplets, they must be larger than 20 micrometers so that droplets fall and collide with other droplets. And then this kind of formation can form a drizzle, rain, freezing rain, and sleet. And then for the aggregation, which is the other type of formation of precipitation, for this one, they must have ice crystals and super cold water that drifts through the cloud and connects to other ice crystals. So the differences between rain, snow, sleet, and hail. Rain is water droplets that fall to the ground. Snow is ice crystals that fall to the ground. And sleet is rain that falls but freezes before reaching the ground. So rain and sleet are part of the coalescence, and snow and hail are actually part of the aggregation. So hail is from high updrafted clouds where the temperature is freezing from those cumulonimbus clouds where they are formed in an unstable atmosphere. So air mass and Oklahoma, what it looks like for Oklahoma in regards of tornadoes. So air mass is a large volume of air in the atmosphere that is mostly uniform in the temperature and the moisture that it has, and that's how it's classified. So they're classified according to their regions. So the regions are polar, which is a cold region, the Arctic, which is a more colder region, the equatorial, which is warm and moist, and you have tropical, which is a warm region. So what makes Oklahoma susceptible to producing tornadoes is actually the clash of air mass. So Oklahoma is in the middle. We are known as Tornado Alley. So Oklahoma is susceptible to making tornadoes because of the clash of warm, moist air from the Gulf and the clash of the cold air from the Rockies and that area, and they come together in a low pressure system or low pressure environment, and that is when a tornado is produced. So lastly, we're going to talk about the importance of lifting air, and we're going to highlight two processes of lifting air. So the reason why lifting of air is important is because of the formation of clouds and rain and precipitation. When the air lifts, that is when those types of things are produced. So two of the processes of lifting are orographic lifting and convective lifting. So orographic lifting is when air is forced to rise over a mountainous barrier, and convective lifting is when unequal surface heating causes localized pockets of air to rise because of their buoyancy. And warm air is more buoyant, and so that is why they are so buoyant, is because of the temperature of the air. So that is how we wrapped up this section of the homework. Thank you, and I hope you took something away from this.